Hello YouTubers, hello everybody. Today I'm going to use my Ninja right here. And I'm going to make a strawberry banana milkshake. And this video may not be the best video since I am actually holding my phone, which has my camera recording on it right now. And I do not have a camera with a tripod, which I will need to get. And I have my milk in my other hand. You can see it right here, my other hand. So I was moving all over, so I gotta somehow pour the milk into there while recording this and put the stuff in there. So I may have to put my camera somewhere, but right now it's actually looking pretty cool like this. So I should probably take a picture of it, like this, because it looks pretty cool to put on Instagram. But I'm not going to. So that's what I'm gonna do. Is I have no idea what it's gonna look like, but it's gonna look like quite weird. So. I'm going to unscrew it with my hand and pour some milk into there. I've already got strawberries in there, see? See, right now I wish I had a camera with a tripod. So I can actually keep my angle and the camera onto the Ninja blender right here. This is Ninja Auto IQ Ninja Blender Duo. And I got my, right there. Yeah. Hold on. No, I better not put it up there. Because if I put it up there, you won't see anything. And that's me all messed up. So. Then is what I'm going to do is I'm also going to take the syrup right here, the Hershey's delicious strawberry flavor syrup, pour it into there with the milk that's already in there, with the ice cream, and then take a banana and then, slice it all up. And probably use an ice cream scoop. Use this ice cream scoop right here to scoop out the ice cream. So, without further ado, you're gonna get. I have no idea how this video is gonna turn out to be, but I'm gonna put it somewhere where, yeah, you can see my mess in my kitchen. But I'm gonna tilt it. Without further ado, I'm hoping that looks pretty good. Oh, wait. Now, with the syrup. Ooh-hee. More milk. And a banana. add the lid. Alright, now that y'all saw that, here goes nothing. Put on high. Low. Puree. Ten pulses and high. And that is the Ninja Blender IQ Blender Duo. One tier. All right. Now for the resistance. And back to me. Smells pretty good. If I can just get it off. Alright, time to put you back in camera here. Smells good. Alright. Alright, this video may not be the best, but I'm gonna pour it in. See right here? Pour all that into there. Save some for later. So I'm in the living room. And now, for me to try it. My hair's a mess. I don't care. Not bad. Very good. Tastes like marshmallows in there. Maybe because it's from the banana. But as you see, finished product. I probably should put some of the body armor, not body armor, but like the energy drink in there, and with some apples, maybe it tastes a little better. But here it is. So that's it. So I thought I'd make this video for you guys and upload it to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below, comment questions down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I would like more views, more subscribers. Looks like I might need to actually hit up YouNow again. Go back on there and go live. So if you see me on YouNow, I will actually say hi to you guys. And remember to tell your family and your friends and your classmates, your teachers, subscribe to my channel, help me out with my subscriptions, make me go up. And remember to like this video and give it a thumbs up, and comments, questions down below, subscribe to my channel again. So, and if you like this video, I'll do more of them for you. Just maybe give me some ingredients and decent ingredients for me to try, so that way I can make them in my blender. My Ninja, I cannot talk too much. My Ninja Blender, thank you. There's a, oh well, everyone's got to have their bleepers. Oh well, so I'm trying to make this video last in 10 minutes, so I gotta find something to talk about. I know it's not football season, I just wanted to wear the Viking shirt, just cause. So, and plus there's a baseball game going on tonight with the Sioux City West, and the Ridgeview Raptors, which is the town I'm from, but I'm originally from Sioux City, but thank you for noticing. And now you know where I'm quickly from, but I'm not saying you where, but oh well. But, thank you for actually, watching my videos, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking the videos, and, I'll see you guys all later.